better than best friends, and we're playing more fucking, what was it again? Jack Johnson's, anything with a penis?
Anything with a penis.
Anything with a penis. I'm gonna be Couch Potato. And you're gonna be Kiss of Death?
I'm Kiss of Death.
Yeah, this is gonna be Hillbilly Hoedown. Oh man, this is already banging. I'm gonna drink some more Gatorade.
It's got some get 'em to go, don't it?
I'm shooting pizzas. Televisions. Ah! Well, I got penalized for running over a pig. Shit. That's bunk. And it blew up. Look what they done to me. Oh shit, why did I blow myself up? Why did I do that? What's going on? Look at what I am. What the hell happened?
You're like some kind of chicken?
Yeah.
Is that you?
Yeah. How can I be doing this? No way. I'm gonna go up a little further. Oh, it didn't work. I'm a chicken mom. I don't know what this means or how this happened. Maybe that was a lab experiment. Ha ha ha. Do I get him?
Yep.
I may have been created in a lab, but I still have the heart of a human. An explosive ending.
Yeah.
I helped.
I'm gonna get them better cheddars.
They might be old. Laps of endurance. Nope. Matador 5 laps. I hate that we can't see what their stats are. Like, we're supposed to know because we played the game.
Yep.
What's that, Bargain Nana?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to be Hazard Hicks. Well, for sake of the game, I'll be Bargain Nana. I'm going to have some more of these crackers, though.
Me too. They're pretty tasty.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow.
They thought there'd be a limit.
Hmm. What do you think, like 3?
Okay. Not that many. It's like 5.
A fine choice.
What's a matador?
Smell out of here.
I don't know.
But now go! You got past by a Tom! This boy is crazy!
Am I going the wrong way?
I don't know.
Eat my soul!
I think I'm going the wrong way, but it keeps advancing me a lap, so maybe there is no wrong way.
I don't think there is.
Anything with an engine, right?
Right? Indeed.
Indubitably. How quaint. How quaint.
Rub-a-dub-dub, you got past that Tom!
Rub-a-dub-dub.
You like that?
Rub-a-dub-dub, you got past the tub.
You like 3 Men in the Show, right?
Oh, get me out of this smell!
Yay, it's over.
Did I win?
Nope. You're in dead last.
How? I did all the shortcuts.
Buster Crunch.
Look at that. I did all the shortcuts and I still lost. I got 2 badges though.
I didn't.
I did. Hazard Hicks. Right? Oh no. I was bargaining Nana.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not fairy. I didn't do it.
So we're done?
For right now.
Yeah.
I want to check out career mode. Well, maybe not career mode. Oh, you know what? Oop. Let's wait. Check out career mode for a second, alright? Alright. Hoobadoo.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Jimmie Johnson Racing.
She doesn't even
I'm
move.
Jessica Fox.
She doesn't know
with the
Jim
man
Johnson?
himself,
She doesn't move.
Jimmie
She doesn't know Jim Johnson.
Johnson.
Thanks, Jessica. So, here we are at our brand new state-of-the-art racetrack in my hometown of El Cajon, California.
State-of-the-art
And we're
graphics.
ready for anything with an engine to go global.
But just because we've gone big leagues doesn't mean we've forgotten our roots. This high-tech stadium is packed chock full of tricked-out racing stages, outrageous vehicles, and wicked weapon systems. Right, Jimmie?
That's right. And none of this would be possible if it weren't for the hard work of my genius head engineer and chief pit coach, Russell Pig Knuckle Armstrong. Say hello, Rusty.
Pig
Howdy,
knuckle.
y'all.
Howdy, y'all.
It's because my knuckles were actually pickled.
Got it. We also got fire, water, Tesla coils, meteors, dinosaurs, oh, and more fire.
So, Jimmie, what do you say we get this season?
Hold on, Jessica. I've got a surprise for
The
you.
men will talk.
I'm still recovering from your last surprise.
Oh, my
Please welcome
ass.
the newest member to our team, broadcast legend, Buzz Dawson.
Buzz Aldrin. Oh, look at Buzz Aldrin.
Wow, you hired Dawson without even asking me? The
Well, then,
man
they
is
used
a
to be married?
disgrace.
Easy, Jessica.
guess.
Buzz brings a wealth of racing knowledge and history to our circuit. Okay, he was also dirt cheap. $50 a day, plus a used trailer home.
I'm trying to win back custody
Wiener.
of my wiener,
Wiener.
dog from my third wife.
Cheers, Wiener.
So,
Wiener.
Jessica, Rusty, Buzz, I'm leaving
Jack
it up
Johnson's
to you
Racing.
to kick off this exciting new chapter of Jimmie Johnson Racing. Good luck.
Whoa, oh.
Where can one get some hot noodle
See ya.
cups around here?
Oh, cut the crap, Buzz. We got a show to run.
Absolutely. Let's do it.
Amen. Let's do it. All right, Bronze Cup. Let's see. Who should I pick? Alrighty.
Come
I'm gonna go with him.
on. We got a win to break this Be a Bear curse.
Hey there, rookie. Looks like you decided to make a run for the Bronze Cup. Don't worry too much. We start off with a short, regular race.
All right, Jerry. I'm gonna try my best.
Don't worry too much.
I'm
We
not gonna
start
worry
off
too
with a
much.
short, regular
But-
race.
Do you have team spirit, Jerry?
Yes, I do.
Woohoo! They're out of the gate.
Time for Happy Dance.
A great start, but a precarious position for sure.
Ridley Scotty, go.
Stop your pitching until you earn their minds. Nitro unlocked.
A strong run to gain position.
Stop your pitching until you earn their minds.
Second last.
A celebration of America.
Second
The
last.
fireworks made in China.
Oh my God, guys! The lights, so beautiful!
My bad.
Ouch, you gotta pay heat out there.
What the hell?
Keep an eye on them gauges.
Get 'em, Mike.
Starting to get
I'm
lean
trying.
and tired.
Those boys hard to get.
Control level 2.
Third time's a charm.
Sweet! Our driver's hitting every dyno on the track!
Oh, it's getting jerks.
Whoa, those chain activators are clearly worth the trouble.
Get him, Mike.
I'm trying. Some of them are just ungettable.
You're near about finished if you don't get down.
Ram jam.
No, stop there.
Well, here I am in last place.
Here comes the final lap.
Nice!
The game is rigged.
Ultimate Nitro upgrade will be next!
I'm really good at this. And you know what I'm trying to say?
Do it, Mike. Get it.
Somebody's trying to take me out.
Not today.
I don't know if I have an
Our
item.
dog is making a move!
You don't have anything. If you press A button, you'll use your rams.
Bad. Very, very bad.
Yikes,
I did
that's
not
nothing
do
to
well.
tweet about. A few more test runs might help.
Oh, you did alright.
What do you call two packs of drivers racing opposite ways?
Alright.
Some call it crazy.
Let's continue a little bit.
But
What do you
around
say?
here, we call it Matador.
What?
Just
What do you
watch
say?
out
I'll
for
do another
oncoming
one?
traffic.
Oh, yeah, that'd be great.
Alright, I'll do one more. Jerry's request.
Woohoo! They're out of the gate!
They're gonna crash. Turn! Turn!
What the hell?
That's what Matador is.
Oh, you go against the
Our
grain?
driver's off
Yeah.
to an inauspicious start.
No ram yet, kid. The fans got a vote you won.
There's commentary?
Ooh, a nasty blow!
Rams unlocked. Missiles unlocked.
Looks like someone's trying to claw their way back.
Whoa, what's going on? Do you know, Jen?
No clue. You?
Yep.
Coming soon! Mid-grade missiles! Uh-oh! Who's gonna call chicken?
Well, you got turned around.
The ultimate rounds are within our driver's reach!
You're going the wrong way.
I'm done.
I thought you were having fun.
No.
But what about my request?
I
What do you call two packs of drivers racing opposite ways? Some call it crazy. But around here, we call it Matador. Just watch
Alright,
out for
next
oncoming
time
traffic
on,
and don't get yourself turned around.
Better than best friends. What are we gonna play next time?
Hopefully something better than
Jess,
this.
if I was a
Like what?
tear, I could start your
Anything.
eyes,
Condemned
live
to
on your
workshop.
face, and
There you
die
go.
on your lips.
That'll be fun.
Oh boy.